Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials. Check Windows or Mac OS build and available drive space so recordings won't fail mid-save. Once done, inspect your microphone, camera, and GPU driver versions. Outdated drivers often break capture. Make sure to close any competing apps like Discord, browser tabs playing video, or another recorder, then reboot to clear locked resources. You're doing quick diagnostic steps. First, so later changes have predictable results, and avoid chasing trends. You now dive into the recorder settings, switch capture mode, pick resolution and frame rate, and choose hardware versus software encoder to match your GPU. Then open system privacy settings and explicitly allow screen, mic, and camera access. Without permissions, the recorder won't capture. Change the output folder to a local drive with enough space and set a safe file format like MP4. After adjusting, run a short 5 to 10 second test to confirm audio, video, and syncing work properly. You finish by applying advanced fixes. Update or reinstall the recorder app and GPU drivers, then test using default settings to eliminate custom conflicts. If problems persist, perform a clean boot or safe mode launch to isolate third-party interference. Enable the app's logs and review error messages or codes. They point to permission, driver, or codec problems. If a recent update caused the issue, make sure to roll back that driver or system change so you restore a stable recording environment quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.